Before we change the project, I would first of all like to explain you the main user interface of DigiPara Liftdesigner. So we have different tabs here, and the Start tab mainly contains information about open and save, save as, the typical things like undo and redo and zoom functionality, and information about coloring of my user interface. Under project you find all information or all commands to modify the data model. Liftdesigner itself works with a 3D data model, as you know, and when you change the data model, all drawings gets updated, and here you can mainly do information like changing floor levels, changing the main dimensions, add a second elevator, or do some EN81 guide rail calculation. Under sheet you can add additional drawings to your project. You see here at the bottom we have the different drawings, and if you need an additional drawing, you can easily add a sheet here or load the sheet template. And for the next tab, which is the view frame tab, you usually manipulate the content of the current view frame. So what you see here is that every drawing has several sections, and they have a gray border. They become green when I move the mouse cursor here, but one section usually is red, which is the current section, and most of these commands determine which is the current section and what you can change in the current section. Interesting is that on the right side in the classic 3D view, you see the content that is used to generate this section from the 3D model. So this is some headroom section with the machine room. But if I click on this entrance front, you see that the detail in the 3D view is different. So depending on which view frame you have selected, even the 3D content changes here in the classic 3D view. Under dimensions, all dimensions commands are related to the current section and also influence which dimensions you want to see on this section. And under export you can produce the different results. You have 2D drawing results like PDF and DWG, and you also have 3D exports, let's say 3D AutoCAD export or STEP and IFC, and you have BIM exchange if you want to exchange your elevator model with Autodesk Revit. If you have your own products and you want to add your own products to the Liftdesigner database, there is a Develop Product tab, and then there are additional options available.